Hey guys, how's it going? How to manage location access in iOS 18.1.1. So first of all, go ahead to the settings. Go to the general, go to the software update, make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Next, go back and try to pin down privacy and security. Click on it and then just go ahead and choose the location services, right? Tap on the location services and then toggle the switch at the top to turn the location services on or off entirely. Okay, next, what you're gonna do, manage app access. So in the location services, you can manage the app access. Tap on the app to set its location access to never or ask next time while using the app or always. And refine permissions. Enable precise locations for apps requiring accurate data, e.g. navigation apps, or turn it off for broader location approximations. So regularly review these settings to ensure apps only access your location when necessary. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.